more food.
Nathan feeling very depressed. Very depressed. Guys, let's switch mouse now. Let's switch mouse now. Nah. You guys love my mouse so much?
Nah, no need, you know.
They love my mouse too much.
Wait.
Listen, get the fuck out.
Yeah.
No,
No, the Glorious.
No, you don't. We use the Gpro for now.
Yeah, I would use it when I go home.
Yeah.
The Gpro is so good. Oh, wait, shit. Cause that used to be my inspect button. This one,
Dude, like what? Press Y. Press Y.
You know, Austin is the opposite of mine.
Oh, this is the inspect.
Yeah, why is like the best inspect?
Mouse
It's
button.
GS inspector.
You're so gay.
Bro, it's 9-1. Like,
Watch
hello,
this,
we
boys,
can
watch
even
this,
play another
boys.
one after this.
Wait, we're ball fragging.
2 golds and 1 bronze and 1 iron. Oh, damn! Oh!
Gold 1 player. Okay, watch this. Watch this. The bronze player. Watch this. Watch.
Iron player.
Bronze,
Don't
bronze,
listen.
bronze.
Iron, guys, don't listen to him, guys.
Might be bronze, but he's plastic.
Oh wait, 35, 53 on
After this
So
game,
when do you have to go back?
we can leave after this game.
Oh!
Push the chair back.
Oh, he's insane. The movement.
One enemy remaining.
No. I'm using it. I'm using it.
He's a
I'm using that.
Last round in the half.
The amount of gayness that.
We lose you.
We lose it anyway.
Hit him with the.
Crispy one tap. Crispy one tap.
It just keeps restarting.
Why?
Alright, watch this.
Imagine no iPhone 11 like the one I'm holding right now.
Guys, watch this. Watch this. Watch
No,
this.
no, I want to see you peek, Ethan.
You actually want to see?
I want to see that raw aim.
Okay. Watch it. Watch it, Ryan.
Go mid. They're never gonna go there.
Ready? Dude, why is it so wet?
Because I pissed on it. What is this, bro? Dude, they're at B.
Oh,
I told you. Why did you go off the side?
Oh shit!
Oh.
Guys, watch
Updraft,
this.
updraft.
Guys, watch this.
Updraft.
One tap.
Updraft.
How? Updraft. Dude, how? I outdrafted.
He's so bad, right?
Dude, how, man? I outdrafted. What the fuck?
Let me give you a little setting that you should
Wait, dude. You saw I outdrafted. How did he kill me,
Wait,
man?
okay, watch this. You want to unblur it? Where is your show mature camera?
아이 고창이냐 뭐?
Wait, where's the thing where you can like show like?
Alex being a dumbhead, let's stop doing that.
Oh my god, mates.
Sage is a fucking
just-
dog, he's so bad.
Have you ever detected two curse man?
Nathan looking depressed.
I'm trying to fix my phone.
Switching sides.
Guys, don't worry. We top right. We always top right.
Wait.
Your
Let's see this.
iPad.
Look at this, Dr. Iron, 7 for 7.
Oh yeah. You know. It was mostly Colin and Nick and Alice playing on me.
Nah, guys, they call me.
you keep
Guys,
dying.
they call me the right click classic man.
They call me the god.
All right, watch this.
Reloading.
My guy's got a shorty.
Watch this. Just gotta
Gun here.
gotta practice the movement real quick.
Yes sir, yes sir.
You better run, Silva.
You better
You
run.
bet. Oh,
The clicks are
damn.
loud. It's crazy.
So that's good.
Yeah, exactly.
But then it's bad if you're sneaking.
I don't see my keyboard's louder than this.
Wait, my
Oh,
teammates.
the movement is insane. Oh my god.
Oh, this guy's playing Apex.
Not the cracker! Watching behind me!
Alright, my turn. Record.
Get the hell out.
Oh no, we're
Yeah,
both
I'm gonna
fragging,
play.
guys.
Bro. Alright, y'all. Time to get us out of the pot, right?
Oh no, wait.
Wait, the raise, I'm dead, you know.
We have to go now.
After this.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, we only need
Nice.
one more kill. We only need one more
Come
kill.
on, guys, we can
One more
top
kill.
frag.
One more kill.
2 aces, come on. No, don't get anything. Buy Vandal, right now.
Bye, right now. Come on.
Vandal small shield.
Fuck you, Nathan.
Buy the smoke, buy the smoke.
Please.
Keep it. No. Leave it. You don't need updraft. What is updraft?
He's gonna die.
Never heard of it. Look at this B-hop, guys. Let's look at this B-hop. I'm B-hopping.
He's so bad. And you
Why is
know,
the fog Alex, you're a sucker, John.
I used to have this back here.
Watch this back foot, boys.
Oh no, oh no.
This back's a bit too wonky.
Come on, come on, come on, back flip, back flip.
Wait.
Come on. Front flip. Oh!
nah, guys, you haven't seen my parkour. Remember it?
Oh! Oh! Shit! Oh shit!
Nah, Ethan, remember the rolls?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh! Elbow first! Oh! Alright, let's go back to the Valorant game. Come on.